Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, my name is Borna. I make videos on makeup and skincare, and if you belong to the same genre, you are into the right place because in this video we are going to talk about skincare makeup. What else do you want? I know how much you like makeup and skincare hauls, so am I. I love doing them, but this video is little different than the regular ones because Nykaa is about to run their hot pin sale and it is from 22nd of July, and I want my beauties to get the maximum benefit out of it. So I am going to suggest what are the best deals that you're going to get in this hot pin sale. I want you to stay till the end and see what are the best deals that Nykaa is running. In case if you want to upgrade your makeup or you want to invest on skincare, this is the right time because you will be ending up saving a lot of money. So when I was going through the app, I saw there are tons of deals which is going on, and it will start from 22nd of July. So what I have done is I have categorized this video into two parts, in which in the first part I'll be talking about all the deals regarding makeup, and in the second half I'll be talking about skincare, hair care and body care. If not possible to include all of these in one video, then it will be going into two different videos, and I want you to watch both of them because this is going to give you a huge benefit. In makeup category, I have divided into two parts. One is all about Lux Store and another one is General Store. The price of the product and their buying links will be added in description box. I want you to check it out if you don't want to miss these offers. So in Lux category, I picked up this palette for you. This is Huda Beauty's Retrograde palette, and let me take you through the colors once. This is how the palette is. I have already reviewed this palette, and in case if you have missed it, links I'll be providing in iCard or in description box. And this palette itself is a very lovely palette. This has got lovely warm areas, and this has got one minty color, then some violet colors, pink, some deep brown. This is like a nice blend of different kinds of color, from neutral to some popping colors. I'll show one or two for you. This is so easy to create your eye looks. I'll just show. And these shades are like super easy to work with. I have already created an eye look using this. Links and price I'll be mentioned in the description box. Do check it out. If you want to invest in good lashes, then I would suggest give these a try. This is from Huda Beauty itself, and this variant is Lana. This is very dramatic. Those are into dramatic lashes, you'll be loving it. But they do have some simple regular lashes also, that also you can use. All these products, again I'm saying, you can get it around up to 50% off, so you must give it a try. Another product which I want to talk about is cream contour. So basically they say this is contour and this is a cream product which surprisingly when you apply will turn into powder, and this is so easy. I hope camera is picking the shade, but when I apply this shade on my face, this gives the most natural finish to my face, giving some dimension and contour effect to my face. So this is a must buy. I would suggest that you go for it if you're planning to buy a good contouring product. Next thing I would like to recommend is these two items. This is from Huda Beauty itself, and this is their mascara and this is their liner. This mascara is very unique. This has got dual end. One is for volume and another one is for length and curl. I seriously love this mascara because it does what it claims. It will give you dramatic lashes. You don't need to go for falsies if you apply this. I highly recommend this one. So this liner is also having double end, and one end is your regular kohl and the second end is your liquid liner, and this liner is actually jet black and super matte. I really love these, and these two come together and it's a great combo. If you can get this, insane. If you want to buy something from Too Faced, I would highly recommend you to check this deal. This is their lip combo deal, and this is their regular lip injection, and this is a high shine liquid lipstick. The beauty of this lip injection lip gloss is that this helps you to achieve little plumpier lips, which I absolutely love. I just apply it on my periphery, and after that it will start to tingle a little bit, and within 10 minutes you can feel that your lip will swell a bit and it will protrude in the best way so that you can have a fuller lips. And if you top it with this gloss, this is going to give you the best shine ever. I highly recommend these two. And the next thing which I would like to recommend from Too Faced is their mini eyeshadow palettes. They do have tons of eyeshadow palettes with different kind of color scheme, and I particularly like this scheme. This is the basic regular one, and this is having one black, one burgundy, one coppery shade, one pink, and some base colors, which is excellent if you carry along only this palette, and you can fill your brows, do a little bit of highlighting, and also create eyeshadow. And the formula is too good, man. It is so easy to use on your lids. I didn't see any fallouts. The shimmers are excellent, and so is the matte. You can create regular basis eye looks using this alone palette. I would suggest you, if you want to buy one palette from Lux Store, give this one a try. And this particular Ketty likes to scratch variant is excellent because this has got very usable colors, means brown, burgundy, black, base colors, light little pink. So all those colors are very easy to play with. So I'm highly recommending, if you are planning to buy one thing from Too Faced, you can give this one a try. And I can't rave enough because this has become my go-to gloss. I mean, so this lip gloss has become my go-to. I love to add on any kind of lipstick. This gloss gives the best plumpy lips. I guess you can see from my lips. So this gloss will give you immense hydration as well as plumpier lips, which I absolutely love. And this particular shade, Paid Off, is having little shimmer. So this is like giving you some more dimension to your lips. So do check this one. This is really nice. Another favorite brand of mine is Becca, and I love their primers and their highlighters. If you plan to get something from Becca, then I will suggest you get these primers. The purple one is like, it will give you brightness under your foundation, and this one is little hydrating. If you have got dry skin, then you're going to love this because this gives the best skin to apply any kind of foundation, be it your skin type like dry or oily. The foundation melts so nicely on top of it. I just love using this one. And the next thing which I would like to suggest is these highlighters. If you're planning to buy any one item, I would say then go for the highlighter. I'll show how it is. So this is how the highlighter looks. I'll give a swatch. This color, if you check in internet, is very similar to MAC Soft and Gentle, but still the formula is much better than MAC. MAC is a little bit powdery. I don't know how many YouTubers have told you this, but personally I have used it and I found it to be a little powdery. But this one, it's not powdery. It melts into your skin and gives you the best, highlighting effect that your skin could ever have. And they do have tons of colors you can choose around, and this one is in the variant Opal, and you can opt for lighter shades too. If you want to invest on this, then go for it. This is really nice. Another favorite brand of mine is Smashbox, and I would like to recommend some from them. So this is their 10 ml tube, and the price is around 1300. And if you go for the full size, that will cost you around 3300. So If you want to try their foundation, I would suggest go for the mini first. Pick your shade and then you can opt a bigger one. Another item which I would like to recommend is their gel liner. Today I have applied this gel liner. This is super nice. When you will be applying it, it will be like a cream, but after certain time, it will settle down into matte and it will not budge from its place. That is what I love about it. So this is the mini variant. You can either go for the bigger size or the small one as per your preference, but I would suggest give them a try. You will never regret. And another item which I would highly recommend is their primers. This is their mini variant. I do have the full size also. This is the primer for open pores. It nicely fills it. It gives the most beautiful blurred skin so that when you apply foundation, your pores are not visible and it doesn't accentuate your pores under your foundation. So I recommend this one also. Next thing which I would like to show you is their liquid lipstick in mini variants. This one in particular is driver's seat, and this is so natural, the formula is so beautiful. This is so soft on your lips. Even after drying, this will not crack or crumble from the center if you eat something, and it goes for a long time. If you apply in the morning till evening, it will not go out of your place unless you eat something which is of oil. So that's why I would like to recommend that you check at least their liquid lipstick. If not the full size, go for the mini one. You will not regret. So next from Lux Store, another brand which I want to talk about is MAC. So this is the first item which I would like to recommend. This is their foundation. And today I have created this makeup look using this as my base, and my shade is NC25. MAC is a brand which is globally loved for their makeup items. If you're planning to buy one item, I would suggest go for their foundation. The coverage is excellent. You can either build sheer coverage or you can go for high coverage as per your preference. It serves both and you get the best finish which will last long for the day. If you have parties to attend or if you have long day for shoot, this will stay in place. And even if you are planning to go for some water activities, I have tested it. My foundation didn't go away into water. So I would highly recommend to try out their foundation. Another thing from MAC I would suggest is their Fix Plus, and this one is like so refreshing on your skin. If you have layered tons of powdery stuff on your face, this will melt down everything together and give the best natural finish as if your skin is talking. And whenever my skin gets dehydrated, I love to spritz it, and this gives the most dewy finish on my skin. Another recommendation from MAC would be their lipsticks, and I have the shade Ruby Woo, and this one is Flat Out Fabulous. I have seen that they are running a combo of lipsticks. I would suggest you can give them a try. Let me show you the color. So this is Ruby Woo and this is Flat Out Fabulous. So they do run a combo, and if you plan to buy it, you can buy it. This is the right time because definitely you will be saving a lot of money. Okay, the next recommendation is little special to me because the longest I have waited for this brand, and this is from Anastasia and the palette is their Norvina. I did see this palette in many Insta store, but I couldn't trust on the authentication of those stores, so I was waiting that this has to get launched in India, and I'm glad that finally it is in India and Nykaa is their exclusive partner in distributing it. As soon as I saw this palette over internet, I ordered it. This is how the palette is in actual. This has got some warm colors The lower row is matte and the upper row is all shimmers. This has got this lavender color which I absolutely love, and it has pink, some burgundy, some browns. And today's eye makeup I actually created using this palette, and comes with a brush, dual-ended brush, which is actually cool if you have it with a palette itself. And the mattes are little powdery only on the pans itself, but when I was applying I didn't see any fallout. And these shimmers are so easy, just you take your finger and you tap it and you're good to go. Like, see how I created. I absolutely love today's makeup, how it has turned. And this is my number one recommendation from this brand, Anastasia. Please give it a try. Now, coming to the general store, I would like to talk about certain brands which is having 25% to 50% off on their products. So the first brand which I want to talk about is K-Beauty. First one is their eye pencils, the colored pencils. I'll show you how. This is a shade. What I like about these is this is really easy, in terms of blending and creating eye looks. And next thing would be their nail paints. I seriously like their nail paints. They do have tons of colors. From nudes to reds, maroon, brown. All the colors are lovely, and recently they have included a shimmery variant which I really love. I'm actually wearing one of the variant of their shimmery range, their rose gold one, and I quite like the formula because around 4 to 5 days has gone and it didn't chip. So highly recommend these. And next recommendation from the brand itself would be their highlighters. I do own two of the highlighters from K-Beauty. This is Sunlit Gold and this one is Frosted Eyes. I absolutely love them because in their price range they perform really nice. And currently these items are running on sale. Around 25% off you can avail on them. So the next brand which is under sale, and this is none other Nykaa itself, and I would like to suggest some of their products. And first one would be their Prep Me Up primer. So this is a silicone based primer and this is good for overall face priming. Foundation does sits nicely on them. Another recommendation from Nykaa would be their lipstick. This is a small variant from their Ultra Matte range. I'll show you the color. This is Cocoa and this is very unique shade. This is little pink, little red or brown I would say. And the formula, it's like, those who love matte lipstick, this is for you. And I would also like to recommend their lip pencil. This shade is called Pillow Talk, and seriously this is the best nude color in a pencil I have ever used, and this is something which you can really invest on because the formula is very creamy. This will not tug your lips, and in case if you want to skip lipstick, you can all alone use this liner. And another recommendation from Nykaa would be their liners, kajal liners. Oh, just look how rich, how black it is. I always reach out for this in drugstore category with this price point. This really does the job. This is black, this is creamy, this will not leak. And that's why I really love and recommend this. So another recommendation from Nykaa would be their eyeshadow palettes, and really this eyeshadow palette stood apart. Just see. And the cost of this particular eyeshadow is around 600, and which is under sale right now. So I want you to make a purchase because you have seen the formula. This is superly pigmented and they have different color scheme. Surely you will be liking one of them, and I'm sure you are going to like the formula even. The next brand which I would like to recommend is L'Oreal, and the first thing that I would like to recommend is their foundation, and this comes into squeezy tube, and this is a matte foundation. You wear it on the morning and you're good to go for the whole day. this particular foundation is good for those who are having oily skin, and currently it is under sale, so probably you could save up to 35% on this foundation. And another recommendation from this brand would be their mascara. Hands down, I don't know how many tubes I have used. I mean, this is one of my favorite mascara. The beauty of this mascara is that it will coat each and every lash and give you the best volume that you expect out of mascara. So I personally like voluminous mascara, so this is the one. Okay, in drugstore category, in the range of 800, star winner. Okay, and next would be a primer, and this is L'Oreal's Base Magic. I hope you can see. So this is how the primer looks, and this would be good for those who are having oily skin. It does control oil, I must say. So this was my recommendation from L'Oreal. Now the next brand for my recommendation would be e.l.f. And the first thing is their setting spray. This is a Matte Magic Mist and Set. So you can grab this setting spray for around 20% off. So this setting spray does the job. It does melt your powders from your face and helps to prolong your foundation wear. And another star product from e.l.f. would be their brow mascara. I have used brow mascaras from Benefit Even, and I would say this can actually compete Benefit brow mascara. Why? Because first, the price point, and definitely the formula. I don't know whether camera can pick this or not, but what I can see is the mascara does have some fibers, so you can give this one also a try. So guys, I have shown the best deals which you are going to get in Nykaa in their upcoming hot pink sale, and I want you to take maximum advantage of this sale and save a lot of money. So this is a good time to purchase makeup and to upgrade your collection. So if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe it and hit the notification bell next to it so that you don't miss any of such videos. And now for today, it's a bye because I have to film another video for you. Skincare, hair care and body care. And I want you to see both the videos so that you get the benefit. So for today, it's a bye, and I shall be seeing you very soon. Till then, you take care and goodbye.